Lion King 1994, movie, the character journey of Simba, rediscovering purpose and calling. A movie can be a wonderful metaphor for us to understand something better in our lives. Character building processes can be difficult and hard to understand, but it can become part of life's adventure if we have hope for a good final outcome. The leadership journey of Simba, rediscovering purpose and calling. The story of The Lion King is more than an animated film, it is a profound allegory for the character building journey. Simba's path reflects the stages every leader must walk: identity, failure, restoration, and victory. Through this lens, we uncover how a leader can be called, restored, and commissioned through process. Every person's purpose on earth is associated with being a leader. You will be a leader when you fulfill your purpose. The path of character building. 1. The call of immaturity. I just can't wait to be king. Young Simba. Simba begins with a premature understanding of purpose and calling. His calling is real, but his perception is immature, driven by arrogance and entitlement rather than responsibility and servanthood. Principle. Calling is not the same as readiness. We must be matured by process before stepping into purpose. 2. Deception and detour. The enemy's strategy. Scar represents Satan, jealous, cunning, and deceptive. We believe that there are evil forces trying to dismantle everyone's calling and purpose, yours as well. Scar plays on Simba's pride and leads him to a place of rebellion and danger. After Mufasa's death, Scar manipulates Simba through guilt and fear, telling him, "Run away and never return." The enemy often uses guilt and fear to drive us from our calling. Hiding from purpose. Life in the wilderness. Hakuna Matata, no worries, no responsibilities. Simba lives outside his purpose, avoiding his past and denying his destiny. Yet, he builds valuable relationships with Timon and Pumbaa, unlikely allies who will become part of his future victory. Lesson. Even in seasons of avoidance, relationships formed in wilderness seasons may serve your destiny later. The voice of the helper. Nala's confrontation. Nala finds Simba and challenges him, "You're the king. You have to come back." Nala is a symbol of a trusted friend who calls the leader out of complacency and reminds him of their true identity. Truth. Every leader needs a voice that challenges them back to purpose. The encounter with the father, rediscovering identity. Rafiki, representing a mentor or guide, and leads Simba to a revelatory encounter with his father, who affirms him. Mufasa's voice calls him out of confusion. "You have forgotten me because you have forgotten who you are." The desert journey, testing before restoration. Simba must cross the desert, alone and uncertain, to return to Pride Rock. The desert symbolizes trials, refinement, and obedience without immediate results. Leadership principle. Before a leader reclaims purpose, they must endure testing. Facing the past, courage and humility. Simba must face his past and publicly acknowledge his failure and fear. Key moment. He confesses the truth about his father's death. Growth. Vulnerability and truth are signs of maturity. Real leaders confront, not conceal. The battle for inheritance. Simba confronts Scar, takes responsibility, and fights to reclaim Pride Rock. Pride Rock is his destiny. Leadership insight. A promised land must be fought for. Leaders don't arrive alone. Simba brings his friends and allies. He reclaims not just land, but legacy. Redemption and restoration. Simba rises as king. The land that was once desolate begins to flourish. The kingdom is restored not just by his return, but by his transformation. Leadership is not about self-glory but restoring what was broken. The world needs you. You were born with a unique purpose, a specific role that only you can fulfill. Your life carries a destiny no one else can walk out exactly the way you can. If you don't rise to the challenge, someone else might try to fill the gap, but something vital could be lost. The world might miss out on a voice, a solution, a breakthrough that only you could bring. The battles you are willing to face, the fears you choose to overcome, and the perseverance you commit to in your lifetime could impact the lives of countless others. Your personal victory could unlock freedom, hope, and change for many. Take Donald Trump as a modern example. Whether one agrees with his politics or not, his life tells a story of persistence through adversity. He experienced tremendous highs and devastating lows. He made costly mistakes but also learned powerful lessons along the way. What's clear is this: he believed his life mattered, and he refused to give up. He won the presidency, lost the next election, possibly unfairly, and at 78 years old, he came back prepared with unwavering resolve. What can we learn? It's never too late, and it's always too soon to quit. The world needs people who refuse to let their setbacks define their future. The world needs you. The call to lead. Like Simba, many leaders begin with zeal but no depth, stumble through deception, and hide in false comfort. But through divine intervention, godly voices, spiritual encounters, and painful honesty, they rise again, not just to lead, but to transform and restore. Remember who you are. You are not what you've done. You are who you were called to be.